What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the good word, everyone? My name is Afro and today we're making the Moscow Mule. So for this Moscow Mule, first we're gonna add it into a copper mug. That allows us to really aerate the ginger beer and get a lot of that flavor to mix in, and it just creates a great drink. And what else goes into it? We're gonna add in 2 ounces of vodka, the juice from about half of a lime, and then we're gonna add a bunch of crushed ice, and then we're gonna end that with our ginger beer. And now I'm gonna bring on my new friend Elliot, and he's gonna try out this drink and let you know what it tastes like.
And it's really good.
I appreciate that.
Really refreshing.
And that's the Moscow Mule. Once again, we added in vodka and lime juice, and then we stirred that, followed that with some crushed ice and ginger beer, and it's ready to go. If you want to see other drinks made, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll gladly make them for you guys. I've been having a lot of fun with this lately and I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you want to see more drinks made by me, all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on a brand new show.